In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view someone's TikTok profile without them knowing. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand a simple, safe way to browse TikTok more privately using your web browser without triggering profile views that could notify other users. We're going to do this using an incognito or private browsing window in Chrome. This mode doesn't log you into your usual accounts automatically and doesn't save your history after you close it, which makes it useful for quietly checking things without leaving obvious traces on your device. First, open Google Chrome on your computer or mobile device. Instead of using a regular tab, you want to open a new incognito window. On a computer, you can do this by clicking the menu in the top right corner of Chrome and selecting New Incognito Window. On a phone, tap the tab icon, then look for the option that says New Incognito tab or New Private tab. You'll know it's working when you see a dark themed window with a little incognito or hat and glasses icon. Once your incognito tab is open, go up to the address bar at the top of the screen. Click or tap on it and type in TikTok.com. Make sure you spell it correctly so you go straight to the official TikTok website. Then press enter or go on your keyboard. Next, you'll see TikTok load in your browser. If you're asked to sign in, you can simply skip that and continue without logging into an account. The idea here is to stay logged out, because that makes it much harder for TikTok to connect what you're viewing to your usual profile. From here, you can click in the search bar on the TikTok website and type the username or name of the person whose profile you want to see. When their profile appears in the results, click on it to open it. Because you're in an incognito window and not logged in, you're essentially viewing as a guest. Now you can browse their profile, scroll through their videos, and check their content quietly. Keep in mind that TikTok's features and privacy rules can change over time, and nothing online is ever 100% anonymous. But using an incognito window while logged out greatly reduces the chances of your view being connected to your main account. When you're done, simply close the incognito tab or window. Once you close it, Chrome clears that temporary browsing session, helping keep your activity more private on your device.